guys doing?
Maybe doing good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can I, you guys have eggs?
Yeah, we have eggs.
Alright.
I got you. All this together, right?
Breakfast, yeah.
We trying to make breakfast?
We need it for breakfast.
Oh, I got you. So it does it just to make sure they're not broken.
Wait. Can I get one?
What do you mean? One dozen?
Yeah, no, just like one egg.
Like one single egg?
Just one single egg.
You don't want the whole dozen?
Nah, I'll just get one.
Just one egg.
Yeah, why not?
I think he's only making breakfast for himself.
He must be.
Yeah.
I can't eat over that one egg.
What you thought I was gonna make breakfast for you? I'm making breakfast for me.
Doing it like that.
Just one egg.
One single egg. What do you want to do? Go to Publix and have to pay like 50, like, you know what I'm saying? 5, 8? You know what I'm saying?
You want to hold on to it?
Yeah, hold on.
$9.50. There you go. All right, you guys take care. Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you for the tip. Thank you.